So guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix your LCD screen bleeding issues. As you can see, my smartphone here has been showing me some vertical white lines, as you can see here in my smartphone. Now this phone has been, there is no problem with it, but out of a no reason, a few days ago I just saw these vertical white lines in this smartphone. By the way, this is an LCD display, so you can see these issues are most likely be on your LCD displays. As you can see, these small lines in my phone right there, as you can see, these lines are actually all over it. So I'm just going to show you how to fix it. By the way, this is not any other type of video where they show you how to install some app, reboot the phone. This is not how it actually happens, guys. This is a physical fault of the display. So a few days ago I just kept this phone in my bag and the bag got wet from the rain, so all the moisture of that actually went inside of this phone without me knowing it. So as you can see, this vertical lines there are actually due to that. So how to fix it? Actually, guys, I even sun dried my phone and it did not fix it. So the only way to fix this issue was actually just keep your phone brightness to maximum, because the problem is right there where the small LEDs are situated and a few small capacitors are right there for the display. So once they heat up very well, they will actually fix it by itself. So actually, what you can do, basically you can just put the brightness to full and just play some video or something in for at least 1 or 2 hours, as I will do it right now, and I'll show you that how to, and you will see that these lines will be easily fixed in this phone. And there you go, guys. As you can see, after playing video for 5 minutes in high brightness, the lines have been totally gone, and I can see you by turning it on and off. As you can see there, now the lines are not coming in again. So this is how easy it is to fix your lines, guys. If this issue comes more, you can play some LCD display, what do you call that, broken pixel fixing videos in your smartphone. This will fix it right up. And so yeah, guys, this is it. This is how easy it is to fix your LCD bending lines. So yeah, that's it.